In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change order of products in Shopify. To begin, you will start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control center where you manage products, collections, and the way your store displays content. Open Shopify admin in your browser and make sure you are signed in, then take a moment to locate the left-hand menu. The left-hand menu is where Shopify organizes all the major areas, so it is important that you click the correct section before you move on. Next, you will go to the menu and click Products. After that, click Collections. You will see a list of your collections, which are groupings of products that help customers browse your store more easily. This step matters because the order you want to change is controlled at the collection level, not from a general product page. Once you click Collections, Shopify will display your existing collections, and you should be able to see their names in a structured list. Now you will click on the name of the collection you want to reorder. Take your time here, because the order only affects the specific collection you choose. If you have many collections, you can look for the one that matches the storefront section you want to update. When you select the collection name, Shopify opens the Collection Details page, where you can manage its content and settings. After the collection page loads, scroll down until you find the Products section. This part is where Shopify shows which products are currently included in that collection. Depending on your theme and how many products you have, there may be a grid or a list view. Still, the key thing is that you are looking for the section labeled Products, because that is the area where Shopify displays the items that belong to the collection and where ordering controls typically appear. Once you are in the Products section, you will find the Status dropdown. On the page, look for that drop-down menu and click it. This drop-down is used to control how the collection's product list is being handled, and it is the place where you will switch to a specific state that allows changes to the product order. Pay attention to the drop-down options that appear, because you want the one that sets the products to draft status. Finally, click Draft in the Status drop-down. Choosing Draft is what enables you to manage the order of the products within that collection. After you select it, Shopify will update the collection view so you can apply the ordering changes correctly. At this point, you can proceed with the ordering you intended for that collection, knowing you are working in the right mode. It is a good idea to move carefully through these clicks and confirm you are on the correct collection page before making any changes. That small check prevents you from accidentally affecting the wrong collection and helps ensure the store updates exactly how you want. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.